There's nothing interesting about it.
Oh look, it's locking onto your face. I heard this technology doesn't work for black people.
Dude, that alpaca did not give a fuck.
I didn't know we
you guys might want to hurry.
I thought it was 4 people. No, because a bunch of other people, 3 more people came, so I put 1 and 2. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So bad.
Jason, where was that pizza?
Roll around in the dirt a little bit.
I got 10 cents. Give me some ammo. I need some ammo. 60 rounds of ammo.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay.
Oh shit, dude.
I just missed him eat it.
Alright, you got 3 guys on the your side. One is near the first. Shit. Alright, there's a couple behind the trees, not near the bushes.
Get out! Nice. Get down. I got him, he's down. He's up. Sorry, bud.
Oh my
Jesus fuck, Dave.
dude, that fucking motor was winding. I heard.
I pulled off this, your face only just got blown
Oh my
off.
god, did he almost shoot you?
Yeah, you look at this.
He's got a slow motion.
Jesus Christ, dude. It's a good thing there's like a delay when you pull the trigger, because like, oh my gosh. Fuck.
Even so, you know, this is the body of Christ, and
Yeah, this is the Eucharist.
yeah, this the body of Christ is right here, and then this is the everything else.
Thank you, Scar Airsoft 3, for being our 500th subscriber.
You gotta do it kind of active. Just you start sniffing them and be like, "Wait, guys, smell this."
Okay.
Everyone's gonna run over and just like smell him.
No, look, you're gonna see my amazing.
Like, I'm not gonna surrender. I'm not gonna be taken alive. Some bastard comes running at me saying surrender. I'm gonna start shooting him. I'm not going to a military prison.
Why?
Why? So I got this Visa debit card, and you know, I could slowly lose his money. And if I was in military prison, how the hell would I spend it?
That's what you're worried about?
Oh yeah, and I saw this movie called Trapped in Hell, and there was this American dude who got trapped in like a Russian military prison, and the like the main guard dude who like controls like the Russian prison. Yeah, he like brings in people for like staged fights, and yeah, it was like he let people get raped, and it was like his thing or whatever. And then the American dude gets really buff and then beats the shit out of everybody, and then he escapes because some giant black guy lights the warden on fire.
Wow. All right, guys, don't shoot Noah. He's recording. Game starts in What?
Oh my god.
No, you should put something over your face anyway. The cameramen have been getting shot all day.
What'd you say?
Right. I'm fine.
We're starting!
Don't shoot Noah. He's filming. Game starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Aftermarket hop up.
Yeah, I picked Angus.
Oh shit, Dave, look.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's got a threaded barrel. Do you know what this means? This must be a good gun.
Yeah, man.
Yo, check out the dual clamp magazine.
Okay.
No, you're not.
Oh, it's made by Cybergun.
Yeah, we want that.
But it's like one of those like old, like, really old Cybergun guns.
Angus, you plug your radio?
Wait, can we get 30 seconds? Yeah, we have time.
Yeah, no.
Dressing up.
I love exterior, like hot
Who's
style.
gonna be the medic on your team?
Dude, look at those authentic 9mm rounds.
Yeah. All you have to do is just.
Yeah, we are.
That sounds
1,
like
2, 3.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
we gotta thread the silencer onto my
You want to be medic?
It's all crooked.
36.
Yo, fuck you. Fuck you.
Go.
You got the stuff?
Yeah, we got the stuff.
Shit.
No.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Yeah, I found it.
Oh, that failed. No.
Oh, start
No, it's gotta be good. It's gotta be.
So this gun shoots 530 FPS.
According to Airsoft GI.
According to Airsoft.
Take a look at that.
Why?
Quality report.
Why does
FPS
it?
530.
Why?
Pew, 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 pew. I'll obey the hypnotoad. I'll obey the hypnotoad. Dear! I'll obey the hypnotoad.
Yeah, you might want to get this cow shit in here.
Wait, who's hit?
Wow, that's ridiculous.
Sean, thorns don't bother me. He's my friend, Sean. I help my friends help me.
Oh yeah? Could use that in the beginning.
I live it.
Give me cover!
Alright, where? Wow! Holy God, that fucking sucked. What the